Hi, my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we're going to talk about how to make Atropa Belladonna Tea. This tea comes from a plant that has berries, and the berries themselves are poisonous, so do not consume the berries. But the root and the leaves of the plant are commonly used in ointments or to treat hemorrhoids, or some people do drink it in a tea form to help with some inflammation and joint pain. But before you use it for this purpose, make sure that you consult with your healthcare provider. Now, once you've located your tea, probably at your health food store or specialty tea store, you're then ready to get started brewing it. First, you're going to take your tea kettle and fill it up with some cold water. Once the tea kettle is filled with cold water, you can then place it on your stove. Put it on high, giving it a few minutes for the water to heat up and come to a complete boil. Once it's come to a complete boil, you can then remove it from the stove and use it to brew your tea. After that, we're going to take our tea bag out of the box and we're going to open it up, removing the tea bag and placing it in our cup. Once we have that in our cup, we're then going to take our boiling water and pour it over top the tea bag. We want to make sure that the tea bag gets fully submersed into the boiling water, giving it an opportunity to diffuse into the water. Now remember, this is an herbal tea, so it's going to need to stay in the water for about a few minutes of time there. You're just going to bob that up and down, allowing the water to go in and out of the tea bag. And then once you've done that a few times, you can let that tea bag sit in the hot water, which is also called steeping. Because Atropa Belladonna is an herbal tea, you're going to want to make sure that not only did you use boiling water, but that you allow time for that tea bag to sit or to steep in the hot water for about 2 to 4 minutes. Once it's done that, we can then remove it from the water. You could use a teaspoon and then press some pressure against the tea bag on the spoon, getting rid of some of the excess liquid that's left in that tea bag. You can discard the tea bag, and now you're ready to drink your tea. This tea can be served and enjoyed without adding any cream or sugar to it, or if you prefer, you can add some sugar, honey, artificial sweetener, and some dairy to it as well to make it a little more creamy and sweet for your palate. Again, my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we learned how to make Atropa Belladonna Tea. Enjoy.